Do it again, do it again. Do some more.
He looks like a stuffed animal.